Hello guys, welcome to my channel Iron Tech. I hope you all are fine and enjoying the series. So guys, in today's video I will teach you how we can claim our website on Pinterest. So guys, I made a website, a simple website on Blogger, which is look like this. And this is just a simple website because I created this 5 minutes 10 minutes ago, so because just to show how we can claim a website on Pinterest. But after this Pinterest marketing course, we can start a new course on Blogger in which I will tell you how you can create a beautiful and customized website in Blogger, and very easily you can handle them, and how to approve AdSense on this. AdSense is a Google partner program from which you can earn money online. So stay tuned for this course. So let's go to Pinterest and let's see how we can claim our website. So go to settings, and there are account management and claimed accounts. Click on claimed account, and this will show you two options. You can create a Shopify store, or you can claim your website. So I click on claim website, and it give me add HTML tag. Paste this tag into the head section of your website. So click on this, and this is copied. So now I am going to my Blogger account. So after that, Blogger is a tool which is provided by Google. This is free tool from which you can make your website. So I made a website. This is just a simple website. I do not post content or optimize this, but this is just simple landing page for your understanding that how we can claim our website. So I go into blog post, and here I click on theme button. Theme button, we can also change theme. So first of all, let's change the theme. So I click on this and click on apply, and now let's check. Boom, as you can see, it's changed the theme. So there is nothing show in the website main page because I don't post any content here, but this is just for understanding. So I go in theme section, click on this, and after that edit HTML. So after that, we search for the head section. So click anywhere in the page and press Ctrl plus F, and you can see there is search bar. So here you can write head, and let's see, it show us the head section. Press enter one time and paste the code, this code here, and that's it. Press the save button, and this is updated. Now click on continue and write your website name. So my website name is coursjourney0001.blogspot.com. This is a free domain provided by Blogger, and verify. Connected, you are all set. To install how we will ads drive conversion events on your claimed site, install the Pinterest tag. So I install the tag. But this is the advanced thing. So this is the advanced thing, so we cannot discuss here this thing. We will see this topic in other videos. So I click on the profile button. This is the profile button. When you click it, you can redirect to your profile. and you can see there is a your website is verified, coachjourney0001.blogspot.com. so the process is, when a user came to your account and he click on this link, and he will redirect it towards your website. So that's it, our website is claimed. So that's it for today. I hope you like this video. If you like the video, then click the subscribe button and share it with your friends and family so they can also learn the skill. And I will meet you in the next video. The next video is on keyword research, how to do keyword research on Pinterest. I will share 3 methods of Pinterest keyword research from which you can easily research good keywords and made pins on them and get traffic and earn money. So stay tuned. Till then, keep learning. Goodbye.